Class 5, Subject EVS, Chapter 13, Food for Plants and Animals. Students, in today's topic, we will learn about some interesting plants. We know that generally plants on trees have green colored leaves. They have a part called stem. They have roots. They have branches bearing flowers and leaves. They produce buds from where flowers are produced. So this is, and they after growing or maturing, they produce fruits. So this is a type of general. These are the characteristics of general plants or trees. But today we will learn about some interesting plants which are a bit different from the general plants and trees. So which interesting plants we will learn today are the non-green plants like the mushroom or molds, the insectivorous plants or carnivorous plants. Under it we will learn about the sundew plant, Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. And lastly we will learn about parasitic plants, that is the dodder or the armadillo. So students, I will show you different pictures of these plants and I will go on explaining about each type of plant. So all of you observe the pictures very carefully and properly listen to my explanation. First we will learn about the non-green plants. Mushrooms and molds are non-green plants that do not have chlorophyll, which generally the common plants and trees have. Hence, these mushrooms and molds cannot make their own food. They grow on dead and decaying plants and animals and get their food from them. Next we will learn about insectivorous or carnivorous plants. Have you ever heard about plants that eat insects? These plants are called insectivorous plants. Sundew, Venus flytrap and pitcher plant are some examples of such plants. They grow in soil that is poor in nutrients. Thus, they capture insects to get these nutrients. They have special structures that help them to trap insects. The leaves of sundew are covered with hair that have a sticky liquid on them. This liquid shines in the sun and attracts insects. As the insect sits on the plant, it is caught by curling of hair. The leaves of Venus flytrap are jaw-like. Venus flytrap is another type of insectivorous or carnivorous plant. Once an insect sits on the leaves of the Venus flytrap, the leaves shut and the insect is trapped inside the leaves. Next, a pitcher plant. A pitcher plant has pitcher-shaped leaves with a lid. The cavity of such leaves is filled with sweet-smelling nectar that attract insects. The leaves of this pitcher plant are modified into pitcher-shaped. Once an insect enters the leaf, its lid closes and the insect gets trapped and drowns in the nectar inside. Next type of plant are the parasitic plants. Plants like dodder, known as amarbel, cannot produce their food. Hence, they grow on other plants for food and water and are called parasitic plants. These parasitic plants grow on other plants for food and water. That is, they depend on other plant for their food and water. The plants on which these parasitic plants like dodder or amarbel grow are called host plants. So students, this is all about today's topic. Today we have learned about some interesting plants. I will just recall their names. That is some non-breed plants like mushroom, motes, then insectivorous plants or carnivorous plants like sundew, Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. Next we have also learned about parasitic plants, that is dodder. So I hope students, today's topic, that is some parasitic plants, is clear to you. So we will again meet in our next video. Till then, study properly, take care of yourself and keep watching the videos. Thank you.